Today I have a new computer, the LG UltraPC, and in this series I'm going to show you everything about this computer, from the unboxing, review, tech specifications, demos, tests, how to open and how to upgrade and repair, to get to know everything about this computer. But first, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. This is one of LG's new computer for work, but also good for gaming, the LG UltraPC 14. Previously, I've done the unboxing and show the computer, we talked about the general specifications, and later I'll do demonstrations. But in this video, I will go into detail in the technology specifications and features of this computer. But take note that this model has a price of $1,100. So, about the technology, it has a processor AMD Ryzen 5 5625U, a CPU clock of 2.3 GHz and a turbo boost of 4.3 GHz. It has 6 processors with hyper-threading. It has 16 GB of LPDDR4X RAM. It has a M.2 NVMe 512 GB of storage. The GPU is AMD Radeon Vega graphics. The screen is 14 inches, a resolution of 1920 by 1200. A QWERTY keyboard with function keys, a built-in webcam, dual microphone, a 72 Wh battery with a charger of 65 watts and an autonomy of 18.5 hours. The audio has 2 speakers of 1.5 watt with DTS X Ultra technology and comes with the operating system Windows 11 Home. About the connectivity, it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, one port USB 3.0 Type-C and 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A ports. It has a HDMI 2.0 port, a microSD card reader and a 3.5mm jack for headphones and microphone. About the physical characteristics, the screen is anti-glare. The screen has a size of 30.2 cm, so 14 inches, a length of 313.9 mm, a width of 220.5 mm, and a height of 16.3 mm. It weighs 1.4 kilograms, the color is matte black, and the material is aluminum and plastic. Internally, it has 2 slots for an SSD, a M.2 NVMe in the format 2280, another M.2 slot for Wi-Fi in the format 2230, the memory RAM is on board and with a socket FP6. But about the upgradability, I will make a video dedicated to that when I open the computer and you will be able to see everything that you can repair or replace. Now the features that don't have, which can be an important factor when choosing a computer, because some technologies are in disuse or weren't included. And you can need certain connectivity and the computer doesn't have it. So it doesn't have a touchscreen, no fingerprint reader, no facial recognition, so no Windows Hello, no webcam privacy shutter, no S-card reader, but it has a microSD, no Thunderbolt 4, no RJ45 plug for a network cable, no discrete graphics card, the keyboard is not backlit and it doesn't have a numeric keyboard. You cannot replace the memory and doesn't have a DVD reader. Now let's go more into detail of the processor specifications. It has a processor AMD Ryzen 5 5625U. The segment is mobile. The release date was the first quarter of 2022. The architecture is Zen 3. The lithography is 7 nanometers with TSMC FinFET. Number of cores 6. Number of threads 12, 2.3 GHz of clock and a turbo boost of 4.3 GHz. The socket is FP6, it has 16 MB of cache and a TDP of 15 watts. It supports the memory DDR4 3200 and LPDDR4X 4267. The maximum memory is 64 GB and supports 2 channels, so it will work in dual channel. And for now, that's all I have to say about the specifications and technology of this computer. And I hope this information has been useful to you to choose the best computer for you, with these specifications, it's not the best computer for gaming, but it's a very good computer for work and production. This Ryzen 5 processor will be more than enough for that, and it only weighs 1.4 kilograms, so it's very easy to transport. But it's possible to find even lighter computers. Although the specifications are very good on paper, it doesn't mean the quality is good, because I tried the webcam and microphone, and the video and audio quality is not very good. That's why I'm going to do the tests and demonstrations of all the technology of this computer. So subscribe to see the results. This was another video about the computer LG UltraPC, but there will be more videos about this notebook PC. I will cover everything about this computer, from the unboxing, review, speed and battery tests, or how to upgrade and repair, for you to decide if you should buy this computer. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week, like the video, and if you have any question about this computer, write in the comments.